Hello friends, Planted Aquarium is the most beautiful aquarium in freshwater section. But to get a truly beautiful planted aquarium, one should do proper aquascaping, plantation and also most importantly proper maintenance. I have not cleaned my nano planted aquarium for several months now. There is dirt and brown patches in various places like on plant leaves, aquarium glass, filters and many more. Now what's the correct sequence to clean this dirty nano planted aquarium? Some start with cleaning the aquarium wall, but that's wrong because when you clean the wall it creates turbulence and dirt on the gravel or soil and dirt on the plant leaves starts moving and it creates a mess. The water becomes cloudy and you cannot see, then what could you clean? So here is the 8-step correct sequence for cleaning the dirty nano planted aquarium. Number 1. Clean the gravel or soil surface. From my experience, I found that most messy dirt is present above and between the gravels or soil. Take gravel cleaner like this one. Mine is Fluval gravel cleaner. You can check the links in video description if you want to buy a gravel cleaner like this one. I have attached a long pipe to it so that it reaches my bathroom for emptying the dirt there. Now start removing the dirt from the gravel or soil like this. Just hover over the soil or gravel and occasionally dig a little bit into the gravel to suck up more dirt. Do it in all corners and surfaces to get rid of gravel dirt completely. Number 2. Clean dirt on aquarium glass. After removing dirt from gravel, you can see that water level has lowered by some amount. Now you can see that there is some fuzzy layering in the aquarium wall. You can also see white coating near the top water level area. They are the lime coat or things deposit due to using hard water. So now it's time to clean the aquarium inner glass wall. You can use sponge or algae scrubber if you have one. If you don't have, check the links in the video description to buy one. Gently rub the scrubber on the walls so that the dirt layers are removed. Number 3. Clean dirt on plant leaves. There is probably some dark green stains on the plant leaves if you have been keeping planted aquarium for a long time. These are the dirt that get deposited on the leaves mainly due to turbulence of the filter or due to some other disturbance. Some dirt gets sticky on the leaves, so you should clean them when you are cleaning the aquarium. When the water level is low, gently scratch on the leaves to remove the dirt. Don't scratch too hard or the leaves get damaged and turn yellow later. Scratch only to remove the outer dirt layer. You can also remove yellow and damaged leaf at this time to avoid any mess later. Number 4. Clean dirt on the decors. Like glass and plant leaves, dirt also get deposited on the decors. I have here some rocks that is covered with dirt and algae. I will use my brush cleaner tool to take out the dirt on the decors. If you want to make a similar tool, I have already made a video on how to make it. Gently brush on the decors to remove the dirt completely. Use patience and good touch to clean up the dirt on decors. Number 5. Clean filter and other thing. Now matured aquarium has beneficial bacteria in the filter, but it's good to clean the filter after some weeks. Mechanical filter need to be cleaned at least once every 4 weeks. Chemical filter need to be cleaned at least once every 2 months, whereas biological filter need to be cleaned once it is clogged or malfunctioning or working very slowly. My CO2 diffusing ceramic disc got dirty from outside, so I am using stain remover that is used for clothes. Stain remover are harmful for fishes, but it's not a problem if you wash it properly before using it again. Number 6. Remove more water. Now after cleaning all things like the aquarium glass, the plant leaves and the decors, the water will be full of dirt. Now siphon out about 30% more water so that most of the dirts, algae or waste are removed out. You can continue hovering over the gravels or digging little deep over the gravel to remove more of the dirts and debris completely. Number 7. Install all devices back in. When dirty water is removed, it's now time to install filter, light and CO2 diffuser back in. Next step is to fill the tank with water, so make all required arrangement before filling the water. Mostly the problem occurs with CO2 diffuser coming out if you are using plastic pipes for the diffuser. Put back the clean filter and light in proper place. You can also put beneficial bacteria solution like Stretzyme to the filter sponge or add it to the aquarium water after filling clean water. This will culture beneficial bacteria in the filters that could start the nitrogen cycle very quickly, and it will help in making the water clean and healthy for fishes. Number 8. Fill in the clean water. If you have done everything told in the previous steps, it's time to fill planted aquarium with clean water. You can use RO water if you can, or use regular tap water. The water in the planted aquarium should be slightly acidic with pH value below 7 due to the use of soil substrate and the supply of CO2. This is rough estimate and it suffices for a successful planted aquarium. Mostly plants change the pH by several mechanisms. After water is filled back in, turn on the filter. Filter will remove cloudiness of aquarium water within 24 hours if your aquarium filter has chemical filters like activated carbon or sponge filters. And that's it, the cloudiness in aquarium will go after 12 or 24 hours if you have kept the filter on. If you have fishes or other organisms like snail or shrimps in the planted aquarium, remove those from planted aquarium before you start cleaning by taking some of the aquarium water in the bucket and putting them in it. Put back the fish after cleaning the planted aquarium and filling back with clean water. Always acclimate the fish or organism before adding to the planted aquarium. Also keep the fish feeding low so that less waste is created, and always feed the fish only that much which they can consume in 5 minutes. This will reduce waste collection and also keep your fish healthy. If you have any comments or suggestion about cleaning the nano planted aquarium, post them in the comment section below. Like and share this video if you liked it. Please subscribe if you are new to this channel, and make sure you turn on the notification to get notified when I publish my next video. You can also check more videos on my channel page and by the end of this video. Bye and take care, and thanks for watching.